Ndewo. Hi, I'm Yvonne Choma Mbanefo, and this is another one of my mini videos showing an Igbo word mkpụrụokwu in my book, Ọkọwa Okwu Igbo Ụmụaka, Igbo Dictionary for Children. Today's word is Nchaeze, toothpaste. Nchaeze, toothpaste. Nchaeze a dara n'ala. Nchaeze a dara n'ala. This toothpaste fell on the floor. Nchaeze, toothpaste. Nchaeze, toothpaste. Nchaeze a dara n'ala. Nchaeze a dara n'ala. This toothpaste fell on the floor. Nchaeze, toothpaste. Nchaeze, toothpaste. Anyway, this is the Igbo word for today. I'm Yvonne Choma Mbanefo, and this has been another one of my Igbo word videos. You can find well over 1,140 more words and sample sentences in the book, Ọkọwa Okwu Igbo Ụmụaka, Igbo Dictionary for Children, now available at Amazon and also on Amazon Kindle. Don't forget to connect with us on the major social media platforms, and you can also find out more information about this book on www.igbodictionaryforchildren.com. Komesia. See you soon.